Hello, my name is Robert Prochowicz, and I am a senior sales engineer with MicroStrategy. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance map visualization in MicroStrategy dossier by adding isochrones to them. What are isochrones? An isochrone map depicts the area accessible from a point within a certain time threshold. Still not clear? Imagine you are a retailer and have a few shops in the city. You want to pin those shops to the map and draw a line around each of them. This line should mark the area from which it will take 5 minutes walk to get to the store, or 10 minutes walk, or maybe 15 minutes car drive. Okay, I am a retailer. I have a few shops in this area. They are marked with blue color. There is one competitor marked with red color. I want to place one more store in this area, but I would like to put it in the place that is not covered by walking distance. I would like to draw isochrones around all the stores visible on the map. For example, something like that. Unfortunately, it's not possible to do it directly in this visualization. I need to use an external service to define polygons for my isochrones. So I would be able to import them and show on the visualization. There are many services you can use. I found this one pretty easy to use and affordable because it's free. You just need to sign up and create an account and generate API key. After that, you would be able to generate up to 500 isochrones per day. Okay, let's create isochrones for my stores. First thing I need to do is to import information about stores and latitude and longitude from MicroStrategy Cube. I will use mstrio plugin for that. Import data, store data, it's the cube I need. Prepare data, I don't need metrics, I just need store ID, longitude, and latitude. Okay, imported. Now, continuing with the script. Here, remember, you need openrouteservice API key. Here, please pay attention to parameters. The most important are profile and range. Profile, foot walking or driving car. And range is in seconds. So right now, I will generate isochrones for 600 seconds or 10 minutes foot walk. This will prepare a preview map within Jupyter Notebook only. Okay, so this is the preview for my 5 stores. Now I want to take those polygons and push them to MicroStrategy. First, I need to modify them a little bit with this code. Now, I will use, again, mstrio plugin to export data to MicroStrategy. I will create a new cube from this data frame. Index is an attribute, and the rest looks okay. The name would be store isochrones, and I will save it to this location. Okay, done. The isochrones were pushed to MicroStrategy. Let's see if I can use them on my map, on my dossier. So first, I need to use this data set. So it's existing data set. It's stored here, store isochrones. I need to link SID with this new attribute, which is store ID. Okay. Now, in the map, I will create a new layer. This layer is area type, and it has custom shape. So now all I need to do is to just drag and drop polygon coords to geometry field. If I want to color by something, like by population, I can just drag and drop and appropriate metric to color by drop down field. All right, now I would like to add another isochrone for 5 minutes walk, a bit smaller. So I'm going back to my script. I'm changing this to 300 seconds. Let's see a preview. You see much smaller circles. I run this and this. And again, I'm using this, this plugin to this time update my store isochrones cube. So I select the cube, I click update with this data frame. Next. I don't want to replace, I want to add new layer. It has been pushed. Let's see on the dashboard. I click refresh. Yes, now I have two isochrones to choose from. So if I put a map type to the filter, I can either focus on 600 seconds walk or 300 seconds walk, or both. Created isochrones are saved to the cube and stored in this cube. In case you would like to update this cube, for example, you have new stores and you want to create isochrones for those new stores as well, you need to re-execute the cube. The easiest way probably would be to take this Python script, put it on a server, and use MicroStrategy workstation to run it. If you have it already in MicroStrategy, you can preview it, or you can run it directly from here. So new isochrones for new stores will be created and pushed to existing MicroStrategy cubes and available for your map. Let's see again the whole process on a diagram. It all starts with a Python script that is using MicroStrategy API, mstrio, to connect to MicroStrategy and pull information about stores and store locations like latitude and longitude. Then this Python script connects to openrouteservice with openrouteservice APIs, sends a location of stores, and openrouteservice sends back isochrone lines generated. Then the Python script does some data manipulation and sends isochrone lines back to MicroStrategy using MicroStrategy APIs. Those lines are saved as a cube, ready to be used for the map. All customers facing businesses like retail, banking, insurance, restaurants are spending a lot of time and resources on picking the right locations for new branches. You need to take into consideration total area covered, population living there, and presence and reach of your competitors. MicroStrategy maps with isochrones will be of great help in such analysis.